What is up, guys? Welcome back to Mo's and Mullets. Here today, got the new seat for the Lolo. This is going to be the first time I'm opening it and looking at it, so it's going to be a genuine reaction. So let's get to it. Custom made. Thanks, Jeremy. Oh yeah! Can already tell it's gonna be sick. Woo! Look at that. So as you can see, this is a seat from Whiplash Speed Co. This is the Slipstream, and on their website you can pretty much customize the whole thing however you want it. So for mine, I got the material, they call it the carbon fiber. Got blue and red double diamond stitching. Usually their logo is just like their little circle logo they have, but I decided to get the word there, Whiplash, and got it in red. And then you can choose if you want the stitching on the front and the back. I got it all the way around. Thought it looked pretty sick. And I saw pictures of a seat that was similar to this on their website. They look so much better in person. This thing's freaking sick. So I'll grab the stock seat here and we can compare a little bit. So this is the stock seat on the lowrider. And you can see they're actually pretty similar. The Whiplash is, more of a back rest there, whatever you want to call it. Holds you into the bike. So this stock seat was actually pretty comfortable, but usually after like an hour and a half, my butt would start to hurt really bad. So hopefully this one would be a little bit better. They say it's more stiff, offers more support, and obviously this will keep you tucked into the bike there. So guess now all we gotta do is throw it on the bike, see how it fits. Alright guys, here it is on the bike. Looks sick already. So most of you can tell that it's very similar to the Saddleman step-up seat. The Whiplash is a little bit less extreme on the step-up. I'll put a pic up here of a Saddleman seat so you can compare. So it goes with the lines of the bike really well. I guess now all we gotta do is jump on and see how it feels.
In your gym shorts.
Yep. Gym shorts. First impressions. Right off the bat, I can tell I'm sitting a little bit farther back and a little bit farther down into the bike than the stock seat, which I think that'll be good for me since I'm a little bit taller anyway. Feels a little stiff right now, but it's a brand new seat, so it'll break in eventually. I know they all start out pretty stiff, but I get what everybody means when they say they're locked into the bike when you get a seat like this, because you're really locked into this thing. I feel like I could do anything and I'd never fall off the bike. Eventually hit a dank nooner, not even move. So, yeah, it's pretty comfortable though. It's also, it's like a little bit narrower down here, like where my legs actually hit the seat when I have my legs down. Feels like it's a little bit skinnier than the stock seat. So, yeah, it feels good though. Can't take it for a test ride yet, because it's winter in West Virginia. So cold and snowy, but yeah, I think I'm gonna like it.
Hey guys, editing Mrs. Mullets here. I just wanted to pop in and add some pictures and 6 shots that we got of the seat in the sun the other day. The snow finally melted and it wasn't 20 degrees out, so let us know what you guys think down below. Oh no, your bike's too shiny now, you can see me.
That's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this video. I love how the seat looks, and now you guys can see kind of why I went with the red and the blue, matches the tank. Got the diamond on here, diamond on the grips. And probably eventually I'll take this to a local place and get, you know, the double diamond stitch added on there so it all matches. But yeah, I love it so far. Can't wait to ride with it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.
You're not gonna.
Oh. Let her eat, send it in deep. Go fast, don't die. Peace.